Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to programmatically create bookings in FluentBooking using its powerful REST API. We'll be using Postman, a fantastic tool for API testing, to walk through each step. This is perfect if you're looking to integrate FluentBooking with a third-party application or just want to understand its API better. First things first, we need to identify the specific FluentBooking event for which you'd like to create a booking. This event has a unique event ID that our API call will target. To find it, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Then, click on FluentBooking in your left sidebar and go to the Calendars page.
Here, you'll see a list of all your created events. Click Edit on the specific event you want to book.
Now, look at your browser's address bar. You'll see a number in the URL right before event details. In this example, 1. That is your event ID. Make a note of it.
To securely interact with your WordPress site's API, we need to authenticate our requests. The best way to do this for third-party apps is by using an application password. Back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Users, then Your Profile. Scroll down until you find the Application Passwords section. Give your new password a name and click Add New Application Password. WordPress will generate a unique, strong password. It's crucial to copy this password immediately because it will only be shown to you once. Copy it and save it somewhere secure, like a temporary text file, as we'll need it for Postman. You'll use your WordPress username and this generated password for authentication.
Now for authentication. Click on the Authorization tab located just below the URL field. From the Type drop-down menu, select Basic Auth. In the Username field, enter your WordPress username, the one associated with the application password you generated.
Now, let's switch over to Postman. Open the Postman application. Once it's open, create a brand new Request tab. In the New Request tab, we need to set the HTTP method and the API endpoint URL. First, from the drop-down menu, change the method to POST. Next, in the URL input field, enter the full API endpoint. Remember to replace Event ID with the actual Event ID you found earlier. Next, let's configure our required parameters. Click on the Params tab. We need to tell the API that we're sending JSON data, so add the parameters. In the Key column, type all fields that are required to make a booking. And in the Value column, map your data. This includes details like the booking date and time, and the attendee's name, email, time zone, and event location. With everything configured, the URL, method, authentication, and the parameters, you're ready to send your booking request. Click the blue Send button. Postman will then display the API response in the lower panel.
If successful, you'll see a 201 created or 200 OK status code and a JSON response indicating success true, along with details of your new booking, including its ID and status.
If there's an issue, you'll get an error status code like 400 bad request, 401 unauthorized, or 409 conflict. The JSON response will usually contain a message and code explaining what went wrong. For example, a 409 conflict often means the slot you tried to book was unavailable.